To send long or large videos up to 2 gigabytes on WhatsApp without losing quality, you can send the video as a document instead of choosing it from your phone's photo gallery. This bypasses the typical media compression limit. So head over to Photos, choose the video. Right, let's say this video. Now I'm gonna tap the share button at the bottom left. Hit save to files. Wait for a few moments. And I'm gonna go ahead and save it there, right? Of course, you gotta memorize the location where you located the file. Then hit save at the very top. Now, all I gotta do, just go back to your screen, head over to the files, right? This is the exact same location. So I'm gonna hold the video again. It could be your video or any video. Tap share, right? And choose WhatsApp from here, right? Choose your contact. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.